Hey guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Once again, my name is Ikena Victor Agena, and in this video, I'm about to review the 72-hour income course by Toyin Omotoso. Now, in case you don't know Toyin, he's one of Nigeria's finest internet marketers, and I've been opportuned to learn a lot of things from him. Now, is this a must winner or not? We're about to find out that in my review. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button at the top right hand side of the screen and also turn on notifications so that whenever I post valuable stuffs like this, you'll be the first to see the content. So without wasting much of our time, I'd like to go straight into the meat of this review. Now, basically, the 72-hour income course is based on the affiliate marketing model. All right. One of the things that Tony discussed in the course, is how to promote products using Facebook, and those products are products that can be found on the Expertnaire network, which is actually owned by Toyin Omotoso. Now, I'm going to try as much as I can to give out my unbiased review of this course. I actually bought a copy of this course, so I can tell you exactly what it's in it and if it makes sense or if it doesn't make sense. Okay, so now in the next slide, I'll be explaining to you what the affiliate marketing model is. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process where you sell other people's products for commission. It's just like being a middleman. It's just like those guys that they call also affiliate guys in Alabama market. Basically, what they do is they get a customer, take the customer to the shop, customer buys, and then they get a commission for any item that the customer purchases from that store. So, as an affiliate marketer, you have access to lots of products that you can promote, and when you make a sale, when somebody buys these products through your own affiliate link, you will get paid. All right. Basically, the affiliate marketer seeks for people with a particular problem, then he sets up a sales funnel to sell the product. So, for example, like when you have the network, there's a product on weight loss. I think how to lose weight by eating Nigerian meals or something like that. And I think it sells for about 25,000 or so, 12,500 or something. So if you sell, the merchant is willing to give you 50% off the cost of the product. So all yours for keeps. You don't need to create any product by yourself. All the products on the Expertnaire network are as legitimate and authentic as the sun rising in the morning and setting in the evening. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Okay. All right. Let's go to the meat of this presentation. Now, after you make payments for the 72-hour income course, you'll be provided with a login. Okay. This is my login. It's the name Bismarck. Alright, okay, you will provided with a username and a password. So with that username and password, you come to this URL and you log in. Alright, just chill. The internet is a bit slow, but in a couple of seconds we should be we should be in. Right, wait. Okay, alright, we are in. So this is, the welcome message that you see when you log into the 72-hour income training program back office. It says training program is carefully organized into 5 modules. There are also 5 extra categories for website, web page design tutorials, and bonuses and all that. If you have any questions, you can hit on that email. But don't go hitting on the email. You need to have bought the course before you hit on the email. Now, um, it's actually organized into modules. You have 5 modules plus the web creation tutorials and also the bonuses. So I'm going to do you a favor by clicking on each of the modules so that we'll see the courses that are included in each of the modules. So let's go straight to module 1. Alright, just be a bit patient. I don't know why my internet is slow at this point, but just hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Alright. This is what you find in module 1. Module 1, lesson 1. So this is basically introduction to what affiliate marketing is, and so it's just basically what the income cost generator is about. You see what I said. It said you will be recommending digital products that help people to solve their problems and achieve their desires. And then what? Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. And when you do that, you get paid. So that's what you get in module one. Module one video two talks about the product and customer research. Before you go into setting up any campaign, you need to understand the product. You need to know exactly what the product is about, and you need to know who your customer is. If you miss these two things, then it means you are going to waste your money on advertising, and then you end up not getting anybody to buy your products. So these two factors are very critical factors that are important before you set up an advertising campaign. Right, that's just that about that. Then in module two, Tony talks about the pre-sale secrets. Okay, before you go out there to promote any product on Expertnaire, you need to have a pre-sale article. Pre-sale actually it preframes the mind of your customers. It gets them into a particular mood so that when they sign up, they're already prepared or they already have an idea of what they're coming in to get. And in this module two, video one, it talks about it talks about the introduction of the affiliate system. Then okay, sorry, that's just the modules from that we viewed. One thing I noticed about this course is when you click on, for example, when you click on module 2, it actually just brings out what you have on module 1. You can see that that's what we viewed before. Okay, so this is module 2. This is where it starts from. I think it's a great way to organize the stuff. Now, you say how to write your articles. In this module, Tony tells you how to write research articles that will reframe the minds of buy your product. So, if you understand this, you're going to make a lot of money from the Expertnaire network because you would be able to attract the major people that are interested in your products. Okay, um, let's go right straight um, to follow up emails. Now, after having your pre-sale page and then your opt-in page, you need to have like follow-up emails. The follow-up emails are those emails that you send over an extended period of time that will help you to convert prospects into buyers because not everybody who comes into your funnel will buy immediately. Some people are going to be there for like 14 days and they've not bought, and maybe on the 15th, 16th, 17th day, when they keep on seeing your emails, they are going to end up buying your product. So, in this module, it talks about engineering the opt-in page. The opt-in page is the page where people enter their email addresses, and when they do that, they land on the thank you page, which then redirects them from where they can redirect them to the affiliate link and all that. So, in this module 3 video 2, it talks about introduction to the Trojan email marketing. It talks about how to send email, the things you need to do, the kind of subject lines you need to you need to work with before sending emails, and he gave examples of this stuff here. So that's just like a tip of the iceberg what you're going to get. Now in module 4, Tony talks about how to set up your Facebook ads. Talks about how to set up a Facebook ads. Like you need to know how the right words to say so that you don't get your ads account banned, because Facebook, apart from collecting money from you to run ads, I think they're also now in the business of flagging suspicious ad accounts. So in this module, Tony addresses everything that you need to know about Facebook marketing, everything you need to know about setting up ads on Facebook, and everything you need to know to have a successful campaign. Just ignore the internet. I don't know what's wrong with it right now, but it should be up in a few seconds. Okay, all right. The internet tried to embarrass me, but I'm going to embarrass it. Okay, all right. This is what you find in module 4, introduction to Facebook advertising. 20 reviews in baby steps. Like even if you don't know how to advertise, look, even if you don't know anything concerning Facebook advertising, it takes his time to break the steps down on how to advertise on Facebook. So what to do in the event that Facebook bans your account. All right, tells you exactly what to do, how to set up your Facebook business account if you don't already have one, how to set up your authority Facebook page, and continue to module 4B takes you to other resources available in the module 4 where he added some extra um, bonuses. The network is so bad, but we have to deal with it. Okay. Okay. So this is what you have in module 4B: how to create exceptional Facebook ads, um, resources, all the resources that you need. In module 4B talks about Facebook targeting, talks about flex targeting, talks about broad targeting, talks about all the targeting techniques that you need to get a successful campaign, to create a successful campaign uh, while promoting the affiliate offers. Now, in this module 5, it talks about how to create banners. Um, just in case you don't want to advertise on Facebook, there are websites where you can buy ads from, where you can buy ads based on impressions from. You can buy based on clicks, and you can buy based on whatever parameters it is that they've set. So in module 5, Tony reveals all the websites where you can um, buy banner ads from, and it also reveal how you can create your banner using Canva. Alright, Canva is one of the tools that I also use to create stuff that I need to do. Um, so you can use Canva to create your banners. You can use Canva to create, you know, any of the resources, images or graphics that you need. So, alright, says how to drive traffic using your banner advertising, how to create your banners, and how to, yeah, that's just basically it. So in the last module, which is bonus, you also talked about how to create your website, how to create your website using Insta Builder, how to create your squeeze pages, how to create your everything concerning website creation. And then in this last module, you have extra bonuses. So this is basically what you get when you subscribe, when you pay 30,000 naira for the 72-hour income course. So if you don't have it now, you can click on the link down below this video to get yours. I wish you the best.